In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your profile to out of the office in Asana. Setting an out of office status in Asana is a simple way to let your teammates know you're unavailable so they can plan work and expectations accordingly. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each click and also share a few tips so you understand what's happening and why it matters. First, make sure you're logged into your Asana account and you're on any main page, like your home or my task view. At the very top right corner of the screen, you'll see your profile icon. This might be your photo or just your initials inside a small circle. Go ahead and move your mouse to that icon and click it. This opens a small menu related to your personal account. From this drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This will open a settings window or panel, usually in the middle of your screen. These settings control things like your profile, notifications, and how you appear to other people on your team. Once the settings window is open, you'll need to scroll down to find the out of office section. Use your mouse wheel or the scroll bar on the side of the panel and move down slowly so you don't miss it. You're looking for wording related to out of office, away status, or indicating when you're not available. When you find the out of office option, you'll see a toggle switch next to it. Right now, it's likely turned off. Click on that toggle to turn it on. When it's enabled, Asana will mark your profile as out of the office. In many setups, you can also adjust the dates you'll be away or add some details like when you'll be back so your teammates have more context. Even if you don't see extra fields, simply turning the toggle on is enough to signal that you're not currently available. After you've turned the toggle on and confirmed your settings, you can close the settings window. Your out of office status is now active, and others in your workspace will see that you're away when they